Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone, update iOS and install Google Maps, because newer versions fix compatibility and safety issues. Next, plug in a lightning cable or enable wireless CarPlay in the car. You need to accept the CarPlay prompt on the iPhone so it appears on the head unit. Once done, make sure Google Maps has location permissions and background app refresh. This ensures real-time routing and voice guidance work reliably while driving. With Google Maps visible on CarPlay, enter your destination using touch or say it to Siri for hands-free entry, because voice keeps you safer. Then choose your preferred route and toggle options like avoid tolls or highways so the system matches your needs. These settings affect ETA and traffic-aware rerouting. Once you hit start, Google Maps will provide turn-by-turn voice guidance and lane suggestions on the head unit, so monitor the screen briefly for upcoming maneuvers, and when you reach your destination, tap End on the CarPlay map or stop navigation on the iPhone to clear active routing. If voice or map tiles fail to appear, check that CarPlay and Bluetooth are connected, that Google Maps has microphone and location permissions, and that the app is updated. These small items usually resolve missing audio or maps. If problems persist, restart your iPhone or reconnect the cable. A network reset is a last resort because it clears saved Wi-Fi and cellular.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.